Taking a little hike today. Gonna do an unboxing and a review of a brand new Puukko knife by Knives by Nuge. It just came in the mail. I really didn't want to do it today, but I can't wait to open it. So here we go. 35-mile-an-hour winds, rain and snow expected, and doing a good little hike in the back here. So stick around. Knives by Nuge. Let's do this. Knives by Nuge, Wicket. I'll let you look first. Oh man. Nuge cards. Resin maple burl. 1095 steel. 1/8 inch stock. Gorgeous leather sheath. The patented Nuge orange packing. We'll burn that. We're gonna need that. Look at this thing. Let's go over this real quick. Brief summary, unboxing. He made this awesome bead. Dangle. Perfect sheath. Ferro rod holder. Hold on. I knew this was coming, so I made one just for it. Brand new. Oh, perfect. Snap lock. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Moment of truth here. Nice tight fit. Oh yeah. Hope you guys can see this. Oh shoot. Man, you outdid yourself. That is gorgeous. Man, he showed me pictures before, but in person, man. Oh, that feels good. Look at that. Oh, like a razor. Like a razor. Man. 8 inches overall, 4-inch blade, 4-inch handle. I might be off on that by a 1/4 inch, one or the other, but I believe it's still 4 and 4. Full Scandi grind, polished, sharp, beautiful heavy duty sheath. Added that bead, that's an extra deal there. Resin, that's nice. You know what? I'm gonna keep that on there, but one day, possibly, that might be the handle of a ferro to match on here. But I like it for the pull out of the sheath. Let's see what this baby can do. It's getting windier and windier. I'm going to set up a little tarp, and we're going to use this to set up a little camp here, start a fire, have some fresh Chaga tea, and we'll talk a little bit more about this. wet out here. It rained all day yesterday, all this morning. There we go. And it's real unforgiving. Bark, I peeled off the tree, soaking wet, but birch bark, there it is. A couple of tries. Hopefully this wet stuff here will take as well. Love the smell of birch bark when it cooks. Now boil in a little water, make some Chaga tea. I got some Chaga tea bags that I made myself, I harvest myself. And this wind keeps whipping around, the smoke's just swirling around, so it's in my face, it's that way, it's the other way. It's very high wind warning today, up to 50-mile-an-hour gusts. It's probably pushing about 35 now. And that's it, chilling out here. Worst day I could possibly plan to do a knife review. And to get a fire going, it's going. That will boil, it already melted the snow, but worst day to possibly do it. But I did not want to wait. I wanted to open this up in the woods and put it to some use, and I did. I batoned, I carved a little, started a fire with it. Perfect fire strikes with that, no issues. It feels great in the hand. I've been holding all different ways. Has these awesome little finger indents here. There's no hot spots, no matter how you hold this. It's an amazing knife. Anyways, knives by Nuge. Link down in the description. Let me know what you think of this model. This is not a model that I normally does. Puukko's the model he does, but you're not going to see this handle probably a lot. This is more like a custom kind of favor for me. He will do custom work, I believe. It might take a little bit longer. Definitely worth it. He does a lot of other style handles, a lot of other style knives, a lot of neck knives. New knives go up on his site just about every week. The best way to find when knives are going to drop, because they go quick, is to his Instagram. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Love this knife. This is going to be my ADC right here. The dangle pouch is perfect. Fits my new ferrule rod I made just for this, and I am super excited. Knives by Nuge. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'll leave a link in the description for Nuge's website as well as his Instagram. Definitely check him out. You're not going to be disappointed. Have a great day.